is QR code killing the business cards? Will business cards become extinct soon? So my answer is no. LinkedIn has implemented the QR codes for all of us, like on a mobile app. So today you can actually go around on the app to scan someone's QR code and add them to your LinkedIn network. However, I think that's not going to kill off the business cards. Okay, look at history. So if you remember when we first had the email, we had the e-cards versus the physical greeting cards. Okay, so people were really excited sending out e-cards, but at the end of the day, today there are still people who prefer sending the real card. And we had print is dead about in 2009, 2010, and we thought magazines and newspapers were going to disappear and we're just going to have everything online. Nope, we still have print magazines, we still have books, and it's still there. And bookshops, which they thought they were all going to disappear, is now sort of coming back. In a way, I feel that what people don't realize is, as much as we want to go digital, people value something that you can hold in your hand, something physical, something personal. And when you think that digital is going to replace everything, there is still people who are very keen to hold something in their hand, so it feels more real. So imagine this, okay, you go to this event and then you talk to this person halfway, and what happens is, like, instead of giving the business card, you say, hey, hang on a second, let me take out my phone so I can scan you on the QR code and add you to my LinkedIn network. And then you realize that your battery is dead. Oops, you can't do anything. Or maybe there was no Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi wasn't set up properly, so you couldn't connect to your LinkedIn app, so you can't scan the QR code. Meh. It feels like a disruption to this entire conversation. So instead of just handing over a card, I know it's a little bit old school. It feels a little bit old school. However, when you start scanning digital, it makes the entire experience more impersonal, and yeah, it doesn't feel as close as before. So that's my take on QR codes killing business cards. Business cards are here to stay. There will be this minority group of people who still prefer this personal touch and handing over something, as compared to having everything digital and scanning as though you're at the supermarket scanning your products. So what do you think? Do you think QR codes is killing off the business cards? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and follow me for more marketing tips and trends. See you next time. Ciao!